How to see the GCash account number. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can see your GCash account number. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your GCash application. Now from here you have to go into your profile icon that is in the bottom right corner. Now from here, as you can see that here bottom in the name there is the GCash number. So if you are looking for your GCash account number, well, the GCash account number that is set for your account number is actually your phone number. So if you already know your phone number, then that is your actually GCash account number. So that is also your phone number. So this is how you can see your GCash account number. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.